Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Miss Melina Retno Hapsari, SSI, MStat as moderator, and Professor Associate Professor Intidensus Rama Mas Diasa as invited speaker. Allow me, Fahriza Nurul Aziza, to present the result of our research in an article entitled Measurement Analysis of Mental Workload using National Aeronautics and Space Administration Task Load and Rating Scale Mental Effort on Employees of an Automotive Factory PT XXX. My presentation will start with the research background, then research purpose, then state of the art, then methodology, then result and discussion, then end with a conclusion. For question, please ask at the end of my presentation after the moderator has given her time. Beginning with the background of research, as a highly populated country with the largest populated in the world, Indonesia ranked 4 in the world. Population will continue to increase over time. This population can be an opportunity and target for companies to sell their product. It can be related with Young's statement about new model design. To make a car product, in addition to material energy, the company also need production machine with the aim productivity. But besides machine, of course, that is needed and expected to have good productivity is human and can be called worker. If you can look more closely at a worker, what are you looking for is a healthy worker, said psychology. Our studies start from the information and complaint from the supervisor of the production and quality department about fluctuative productivity in the last few months. The company has made repair and also adjustment to several production process problems, but they get changed are less significant and there are still fluctuation in productivity. Before increasing productivity, we should stabilize it first, because till now the company only looks at the physical, both process and product. Through this research, the first time for a company to see the mental productivity of their workers, we use NASA-TLX as one of the subjective methods that able to measure the mental workload using 6 scale, and also meanwhile RSMA using score from mental work with a single scale with indicators. Why we choose these two methods as our reference? Because of their ease of measurement, low cost, and sensitivity under varied conditions, said Real and Nygren 1988. This study aims to obtain the result of the assessment of the mental load score of each production process work, which is the process of assembly operator, assembly inspection, quality control, and quality assurance. We have some hypotheses here, and also we have the result of the mental load score assessment of each production process. As we follow Toyota Way said, make the people before make the product. For SOTA, we took 4 as the reference. Then the object is an operator from assembly and quality area production, and the result is mental workload category from NASA-TLX and RSMA method. The research method begins with the thinking framework and then continues with methodology framework. You can see the process at the picture. For result and discussion, starting with conducting a validity test and also reliability test, and the result data can be used for the next step. Continue to use NASA TIL-X method. Okay. The data collection process begins with selecting dominance of each of two indicators. This domination result in total weight per indicator. Then continue with scale score for the same indicators before. This ratings value will be multiplied by the weight value to get the weight workload value. After going through the data processing process, the result average is 62 points. It can be seen in the graph, the assessment of mental load categories here. And the result based on the average weight workload for production process go into the high workload category. You can see. Moving on to another method, RSME method, respondent gave a rating score for which can categorize. Each indicator is given a rating scale by the respondent. After the in RSME method, categories is production process is large effort category, so we have some conclusion. So the conclusion is, first of all, the conclusion is we have some calculation about by NASA method and also from RSME method. This accept the hypothesis that each different production process job has a different mental workload. And then the next conclusion is for workload category assessment with NASA TIL-X method. All the production process is in high workload category, and meanwhile with RSME method, almost all production process in effort made is large, except QA is effort made is very large. This may accept the hypnotized second hypnotized. And next, the conclusion. Because of QA by NASA TIL-X method and also by RSME method has the highest score, quality has the highest mental work. So they show that the NASA TIL-X and also the RSME method calculation that are in line. So the last conclusion, this is the last conclusion we can give. It can be seen that from previous figure and conclusion, as a work process that has a heaviest mental load among others. Observation showed that QA doesn't have TKMT and or talk time in every production or work. So we have some proposal given related to improving mental spirit, including conducting problem-solving discussion, team spirit, or also rewards and recognition. Meanwhile, to reduce mental workload, they include about talk time and motion study because they haven't it, and also about digital automation and calculate overtime. Further research is needed because it's necessary to analyze in terms of cost and effect to managing mental workload, and also by measuring mental workload with other methods. That's all from our article in Brawijaya International Conference of Statistical Modeling and Data Science. Finally, I would like to thank you all for your attention and thank you, the moderator, Miss Melina, for this opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I turn it back to Miss Melina.
Okay, thank you for That excellent presentation, Miss Fahriza.